Introducing the Gotham Steel Smokeless Grill, the ingenious new way to barbecue indoors without all the smoke. Now you can enjoy all your barbecued favorites year-round. The breakthrough starts with the Ticerama surface. It's made of super strong titanium that metal utensils won't scratch. Plus, the slick ceramic ultra non-stick coating makes it easy to grill fish without the skin sticking. And look, even make barbecued chicken and the sticky sauce wipes off in seconds. The Smokeless secret is the heated grilling grate that allows oils and fats to fall into the drip pan and cool without hitting the heat, so smoke can't form. That's why you can even make bacon on this grill. Melt some cheese on top, then add a bun, and look, no sticking here. Grab a patty and top it off for a delicious bacon cheeseburger. Now make mouth-watering barbecued ribs indoors without the smoke. Then just rinse the mess away. You'll love this grill. Plus, the extra-large grill space can easily fit sausage and veggies for the whole family. And the convenient temperature dial maintains the perfect heat across the entire surface. So now even jumbo shrimp and scallops are perfectly seared and never overcooked. Or look, grill up some peaches for this irresistible dessert. Yum! And cleanup's always easy, because the whole thing is dishwasher safe. Get your Gotham Steel Smokeless Grill with non-stick Ticerama.
Similar products can sell for over 10,000 pesos. But here today, you're not going to spend anywhere close to that. It's not 10,000, not 9,000, not 8,000, not even 7,000. And hey, it's not even 6,000 pesos. Because today, as part of our special product introductory promo, you'll receive this amazing product for an unbelievably low, direct from the manufacturer's specially discounted price. And today, we're passing that discount directly on to you.
But we're not done. Order now and get Chef Tony's recipe guide free. It's jam-packed with great grilled dishes you can make at home. And hold on, because you'll also get the quad kebab for free. Now you can make 4 chicken or steak kebabs at once and turn them all at the same time. Yours free.
But wait, for a limited time only, you'll also receive this exclusive 24-piece Royal Kensington Cutlery Collection, a classic and elegant addition to your dining table, crafted from the finest grade stainless steel that never needs polishing and is also dishwasher safe. It's a 4,000 peso value, yours absolutely free. You get it all. Everything you see here for our special low discounted price. And today we're passing that discount directly on to you. And there's still more. If you're one of the first 20 callers, we'll send it by express delivery for free. That's right, free delivery anywhere in the country. And we're so confident that you're going to love this as much as we do that we're going to give you a whole 30 days to try it out for yourself. And if you're not completely 100% satisfied, send it back for a full refund. No questions asked. So don't wait, don't delay, don't miss out. Order now by sending us a message right here on Facebook or go to our website at tvshop.ph. We accept all major credit cards, check and COD. Hurry, this offer is not available in any store anywhere, so you must order right now. So Facebook message us now or live chat with us at tvshop.ph right now.